Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I'm Charles Clifton, and in the next few minutes I'm going to give you a quick overview of our Pro member services. So, Pro member services, what are they and where can I find them? If you go to the Services tab at the top of the website here, you'll notice that there are several links that are prefixed Pro. Now these are basically our membership services, Pro Live Strong Week Tables, Pro Daily Videos, Pro Global Economics. I'm going to take you through basically the top two, the Pro Live and the Pro Daily, because those are the two services that all of our members use all of the time. Okay, so over to our Live Forex Strength Weakness Tables page. That's the top of the Pro listed. What you're looking at here are two tables. One is marked Trend Trader and one is marked Day Traders. Now each table gives you a list of the top three strongest and weakest currencies. Likewise, S1 to S3 for strong, W1 to W3 for weak. Okay, on two different time frames. I'll give you a quick insight into what's happening on the back end here. Basically, on our servers, we are running an algorithm, a strength weakness algorithm. It took me a couple of years to develop it. It's been up and running now for quite a few number of years. This is pumping real-time data. It's covering 8 currencies, 28 pairs in real time across two different time frames in order to put those two tables on this web page. It's doing quite a lot of work in the background. I developed this because I had to answer the question which every trader has to ask themselves, which is, what should I be looking at today? That's why I built this, and this is exactly what it does for us. So on the bigger time frame, we can see here the dollar is the strongest, pound is the third strongest. On the day trading table, pound is the strongest, CAD is the third strongest. You'll notice that some of these are highlighted in green. Now this is really important. What this is telling us is the pound, for example, shows as strong on both tables. Conversely, on the weak side, the only weak currency that is showing on both of these timetables is the Aussie dollar. Now, if we were to only run this study in one time frame, you could find yourself looking at the Swiss, or actually the CAD's a good example here, because we've got the Canadian dollar showing as the weakest, the third weakest currency on the bigger time frame, and yet it's showing as the third strongest currency on the lower time frame. That's conflict. We don't want to be going anywhere near a confused CAD, not today anyway. Instead, what these tables do by highlighting the different currencies that are showing on both tables is simply to cut out the noise. So as I say, I would start off with 28 pairs. I know straight away that I'm only really interested in looking at Euro Oz and Pound Oz. So I've cut 28 down to 2 pairs instantaneously, and you can get access to that 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from anywhere on the planet. You can just log in, take a look at the tables, instantly you know where the action is. That saves you an unimaginable amount of work of trying to find out where the action is today. Okay, underneath that we've got some rolling data for you. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail about these, but they're basically snapshots that are taken at 9 AM and 5 PM. Again, it's a lot of information to take in, but at the bottom of the page you will find a video which shows you exactly how I used to use just the historic tables alone to make money. This video was shot before the live tables even existed, so I was taking a dual time frame manual shot, literally on pen and paper with a clipboard, and I managed even then to find a breakout trade. So I got a signal confirmation back here, which I got out of up here somewhere. The important thing is that the tables, whether they be historic or whether they be live, give you the confidence to trade straight through a resistance level, which most traders wouldn't try, to trade straight through a doji bar, and then to trade only fractionally into a pullback, not knowing if that was a pullback or a full reversal. The page is just auto updated on me middle of the recording. Isn't that just the way it is? This page does auto update every 15 minutes, but you can control F5 at any time to pull the very latest data from our servers. If you don't, it will just carry on auto updating all the time for you. So you can see there that the Aussie dollar's slipped down by 1 peg. So as I say, there's a lot of data going on this page. Watch the video at the bottom of the page, and that will give you a really clear indication of how to use not only the live tables but also the historic data underneath it. So we could quite simply say, well, today here's the tables, it's over to you. And you would look at the tables and you'd say, okay, pound Oz, euro Oz, and then what? We go a little bit further for our clients every single day. So again, on the services tab, Pro Daily Video Charts and Analysis, you'll notice that there are a lot of them because, yep, they're daily. So we are always constantly churning out videos for you. I'm going to give you a look inside what happens inside these posts. Okay, so we'll pull that up. You'll notice that we literally go straight to the mustard. Okay, we're not interested in anything that isn't classed as an actionable pair today. So straight away from that video page, you can see that the video, it contains full breakdown, charts and analysis for 4 currency pairs. Okay, and underneath that you find the video. I'll just quickly say this: charts are provided by me, daily analysis provided by John. Now you'll see why in a second. Open that video up, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Actually, I'm just going to back off for a minute, and I'm going to play you about 60 seconds out of this video, just so you can see what our clients are seeing every single day of the week. Okay, so about 60 seconds or so. Enjoy.
EuroCAD really interesting at the moment. So if I bring back in the live forex strength and weakness tables, we can see that euro is starting to show that strength. It's S3 on the trend traders and S2 on the day traders, and then obviously CAD W1 on the day traders. So we want to be looking for that CAD weakness in the market. Now, if we look at EuroCAD and just look at the shape of what's happened recently, we can see that price has traded through the key area here at 1.34 handle, where we've traded above those lows through there. And we're back in this trading range here. So price may want to travel to the other side of that trading range again, which holds a high, or the high is around about 1.3750. We also have the 200 moving average near those levels as well, so price may want to go and retest that 200 moving average, because you can see the last time we tested it was back in February of.
Okay, I'm just going to pause that video there. That gives you a flavour of what we do for our clients every single day. Now, the reason why I brought up the fact that the charts are provided by me and the analysis is by John is because I've been producing professional charts now for over a decade. I even coach other people as to how to put their charts together so they look very, very similar to mine. On top of that, you've got John producing daily videos. Now, John's a highly skilled analyst. He's been doing this job for years as well. You basically have 2 highly skilled technical analysts working for you every single day. How does that sound? Not bad, eh? So right, there's the connection between the strength weakness tables in real time on 2 different time frames and the actual charts that they relate to, the actionable pairs that they relate to. Okay, we do so much of the background work for you, and we do this as a natural matter of course every single day. So as I said, the 2 major services that every one of our clients uses all of the time: live strength weakness tables and daily charts. Now, coming back to the tables very quickly, they're live 24/7. You can use them anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter if you're in America, Africa, Australia, it does not matter. Log in, and what you see in front of you is what's happening right now. That way you will always know where the market action is. You're not going to be looking in the wrong direction. Okay, it gives you confluence between multiple time frames, and this in turn can give you entries and exits. Again, watch that video at the bottom of the strength weakness tables page. That will explain to you how to use those tables for entries and exits. Very important. 30 days of history, so you can see the market's moving. You can see how well we got where we are. With all of this, it's almost impossible to find yourself trading against the market, because that's the single biggest problem that most retail traders seem to experience. Is they'll take a hunch, pull up a chart. Again, they'll take a punt, put in a trade, the market goes the opposite direction, and they're left wondering why. We can answer that question for you. With the daily charts and analysis, they're strength weakness tables driven, so no more guessing. We only analyse the charts that matter. We cover every pair of interest that day. We don't miss anything out. You also get your upcoming events for the day, so that's news and expectations. Those are drawn directly from the calendar page on our website. And you get full technical coverage, so that's trends, channels, key support and resistance levels, MAs, etc. As I said to you, you've got 2 extremely highly skilled technical analysts working for you, and a lot of technology that's backing us up to do so. Now, there are other pro services within the website that I'm not going to go into within this video, but for those 2 major services, you can gain access for 7 days for just £1, and that will give you immediate access. Okay, 7 days for £1. If you're interested in having a little look around, I suggest you pop on over to the homepage at charlesclifton.co.uk. You will find a sign up link at the very top there. That will pop you straight across to here. Now you'll notice straight away we've got two packages, Pro Monthly and Pro Quarterly. They're both exactly the same content, just the quarterly package is about 15% cheaper. So as I say, you've got various other bits and pieces within as well that you're more... Honestly, have a good look around. It's going to cost you £1 for a week to find out if this is for you. All you've got to do is just hit any one of these green buttons and it will take you across to the respective sign up page. If it's not for you, that's fine. You can cancel from within the website, or you can just send me an email and someone on the office will do it for you. Okay, not a problem. If in the meantime you've got any questions whatsoever, head on over to contact me here. It doesn't matter if it's about the subscriptions packages, if it's about one-to-one trader training, open office events, chart partner, whatever it is. If it's trading related, send me a message. I am very happy to hear from you. I'll be more than happy to respond to you just as soon as I possibly can. Okay, so there's a quick look into what we think is everything that you need to successfully trade Forex and beat the market. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, take care. We'll speak soon.